Here is a quick overview of how to add a contact in Agile, or add notes to a contact, or find a contact. So go to your Agile login address. So don't try and search it. Put it in completely with no spaces, no anything else. So just copy and paste it in. It doesn't really need the HTTP at the PS at the front, as long as it's got this complete URL, and click enter on your keyboard, and then you'll get for your username and password. So enter those and sign in. And when you get in here, you're either going to have the view with the main menu across the top or down the side. In this case, it's across the top, and I'm logged in as Warren. So the CRM has 3 different sections. So if you click over this center one here, there's sales, marketing, and service. And each one has its different things. So in sales, there's your contacts. So you can go to contacts there, or you can go to contacts over here. Whichever way you wanted to go. Anyway, so we're back to where we were. So this is where the contacts are, and if it doesn't refresh properly, just refresh the page, and so you can see. Now, if you want to see what contacts are in all the contacts that are in a certain group, you can put the tag in here and just say all the ones in the database from the ACT, and it will pull them all up, and it'll show you the total number here. So, and if you need to add a new contact, you can do it here. You go over to a contact. This is where you put their first name, last name. So if it's a club or an association, say, well, that's going to be their name. Okay, because when an email goes out, it's going to go to the association or the club, unless you're going to have a separate contact for that individual person. And when you've done it, you press save. That's it. If you want to go to if you want to find a certain organization, you can put the one in here. And if you want to find someone, well, there you can find this person here. And there's the contact details. You can edit those contact details going here. Click on it, edit, and you can add the extra things in, add the extra tags in, and you just need to start typing it. And there's, and you can add the tags. If you don't know where the tags are, you can mouse over your icon in the top right hand corner and click on admin settings, and then you'll see where all the tags are, and you'll see what tags are there, and you can add extra tags. Anyway, so once you add the details and update the details, this is where you just click update when it's done, and you're back at that person, and you can look at their timeline. Add notes. This is extremely handy with multiple users, because then you can add a note and everyone else can see what note you added. A task, you can add reminders for it. And if you've got some email templates set up, you can go to emails, and then you can send them a email template. Okay, so you can also see what emails have been sent. And this is some test emails that I sent from here to me, just to make sure that they're formatted well. Anyway, so I'll just go back to home. And so contacts, if you're looking for a certain contact, okay, you go to, or you're looking for anything, you search in here. Just click the little icon and you can search for it. And you can make this list smaller by going to tags and adding. So these are all the ACT ones. So we'll just get rid of that. Get rid of that little can there, and I've just cleared it. So now it shows all the contacts in this list, which is 998. Okay. That's all you really need to know, because it's most important that if you're communicating with a club or association, that you go into you click on it, go into that association and add notes, because then everyone else can see what notes you've added, when you've spoken to them and everything else, and that will be in their timeline as well. It will show. So I hope that was helpful, and you'd also be able to see what emails have gone out, whether it was opened, and all that. So that's what the timeline's for. Notes are adding notes. Tasks is to add a reminder. They send you an email saying you need to follow up on something, and when you add a task, the other users in your CRM can also see the task that's been added, so that they are kept in the loop. Instead of sending emails backwards and forwards to each other, it's the one place to manage your customer relations. That's what CRM is, Customer Relation Manager. And when you're finished, you can simply log out, and that's it. So remember to go to your CRM. It's not searchable, so you need to put in that address in the URL to go to it. So when you go there, it'll automatically go to the login page so you can sign in. Simple as that. It's just common sense, guys. Okay, got any questions, give us a yell. While I'm doing it, if you want to book a Zoom call with support so you understand how you can do different things, mouse over your icon in the top right hand corner, go to help. When you're on help, this is all the knowledge base for Agile CRM. Go to contact us, and here you can click on schedule a call, and you can pick on Max or Ashley and find out when. You can grab a discovery call. And Ashley's pretty busy because she's pretty abracadabra. You just choose the time, fill in the details, confirm, and she'll send you the link for the Zoom call, and then she can record it if you request the call. So to get there again, remember, it was go to your icon in the top right hand corner, go to help. That will take you to the knowledge base here, where all the different links are for all the different help sheets. Go to contact us, and then choose schedule a call. Simple as. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Talk soon.